In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make recurring income with the best affiliate program in the world. So please stick around to the end of the video. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what to do to start making money today. This does not need a website. If you're tired of side hustles that barely move the needle, you've tried several different things. You tried, what do they put out there? Like, they tell you to take surveys. Absolute nonsense. If you're working some kind of dead end like Uber, whatever it is, man, I'm sure if you're watching this, you've tried some things already, and you're looking for, the real answers here. You finally searched the right thing you realize that you need reoccurring income, right? So I want you to imagine getting paid every month for the work you did once. That means potentially 5 years from now, you're still benefiting on the work you did right now. Makes all the sense in the world, right? So not only do you make recurring income, you also combine that with affiliate marketing. So that means simply you're promoting someone else's product and you're earning recurring commissions, which is the holy grail. So that means you're not having to deal with actually creating a product. You can just promote someone else's, right? Like I said, you don't need a website. You don't need to buy domain names or fumble with WordPress or anything like that. This is a done-for-you business ready to go, okay? Recurring income obviously beats one-time payouts, okay? One-time payouts simply mean that you need to find new people every single month to buy the product, whether it's yours or someone else's. Now, with the product that I'm going to present to you, right, which is Project Profit, my affiliate program, okay? It's $49 a month to join, and you get 50% monthly recurring commissions for every referral, okay? So that's $24.50 per month per referral. So that means 10 members is $245, 40 members is $980, and 100 active members is close to $2,500 a month just for referring other people to my group, which I teach you exactly how to do, okay? So you bring traffic to the offer, everything's handled automatically. The sales are tracked and paid out directly to you, completely automatic, all right? And what I teach you to do is to create short videos, put the link in the bio, okay? And everything else is handled for you, right? As soon as you join, you get a unique affiliate link. That way all sales can be tracked back to you, right? So you don't have to touch inventory. You don't have to handle shipping, no customer service, no website, all right? None of that. And the difference between most affiliate programs and this is when you sign up for another affiliate program, they don't teach you how to refer other people. They just kind of let you go, and you fail ultimately because you don't know what you're doing. But when you join this group, I tell you exactly what to do, exactly how to promote on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And when I started affiliate marketing over a decade ago, these didn't exist. So you had to make a blog or try to rely on Facebook pages, and you needed a big following to gain any traction at all. And with the introduction of short form video and these short form platforms, now anyone can reach thousands of people, even without a following, right? So you join the group, you earn 50% of commissions, and there's a course inside the group to scale and automate, teaching you how to automate multiple accounts, and you also earn 50% on every sale for that. All right, so you join the group, you follow the training, and part of that training is warming up new accounts. So if you want to start new accounts, there's a very specific way that it has to be done to maximize the virality and the trust score of each account, right? And then from there, I teach you the framework of the best short form videos. So what I did is I analyzed a lot of the top performing content with the most views. And what I noticed is when you look at it enough, there's a very clear pattern that most of the videos are using. I'd say about 80% are using this exact framework to go viral, right? So when you combine the proper warm-up with the proper content and scaling to multiple accounts, that's when things start to really snowball. All right. So all you do is refer other people. Again, you get 50% recurring commissions every single month. Every new member stacks on top of the last one, so you don't have to chase new people every month to make a whole new batch of sales. Each month carries over to the next. All right. And then from there, you also have a high ticket course that you earn 50% commissions on as well. All right. You're going to rely on short form content for explosive growth. Okay. That means you don't really need a following at all to start getting views. Now, the reason you need to warm up a new account is because a lot of times, if you do it wrong, you'll end up in a shadow ban, okay, or no zero view jail, okay. And I learned this the hard way, starting, over 100 accounts. I had to get really good at avoiding shadow bans, and that's exactly what I've done. Is I've curated a warm up process that teaches you how to look human in the algorithm and look like a normal user. And it's extremely important. Like, you can create an account, you can post videos, but if it doesn't have a high trust score, you're not going to get the views that you want, right? So that's the key. And that's the real value of the course, is learning the viral video framework and the warm-up process, right? So you know exactly what to do. And then I teach you to automate. And you can do this without ever showing your face, okay? So if you don't want to put yourself out there, you don't have to. Although showing your face does gain more trust with people, right? You also don't need to spam your friends and family. I teach you a method that, markets to people on the internet. You don't have to bug the people in your family, all right? Anyone can do this because I teach you each step of the way. A beginner can start with this day one and start making profits. Here's what you don't need. You don't need a website. You don't need a funnel. You don't need inventory, customer service, no fancy software or startup costs, right? Now, this isn't a magic button or a get rich quick scheme. This is a get rich forever scheme, all right? Now, the future you will thank you for starting this and taking this serious and really getting to work, all right? So you get reoccurring commissions with no website, training fully included, and 50% monthly reoccurring commissions, all right? This is not necessarily a side hustle. You should treat this like your main hustle, because reoccurring commissions will benefit you, like I said, 5 years down the road, all right? So here's what you got to do next. Number one, I want you to help me blow up on YouTube. So subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, comment your income goals below, share this with a friend who wants to make money, and watch this video 100 times over to help my channel grow. And if you're ready to get started, click the link in the description below, and let's make some money.